demonstrating alley dock. She's going to put the bus in reverse with her hazard lights on. Normally we would beep beep the horn, but we're getting that prepared. Okay. You're going to look in your lower left-hand mirror, and you're going to go straight back until you see the two cones in your lower left-hand mirror disappear. I'll show you up close of that in another portion of the video. As soon as those two cones disappear from the box, you're going to start turning your steering wheel all the way hard to the left, and you're going to look in your lower right-hand mirror. You're going to look in that lower right-hand mirror until you see two cones just appear in that lower right-hand mirror. Once you see the two cones, the two rear cones behind you appear, you're going to straighten your wheel, and you're going to go straight back into the box behind you until the front cone of the box just appears into your service door. Once the front cone appears into your service door,